Be disciplined when the numbers are low. So you keep seeing these rich peoples, okay, these peoples have a crazy amount of discipline in their life. They wake up at a particular time, they eat healthy, they do their work on a scheduled time always, and they do workout regularly. You see these peoples and you know these are these common habits that every successful people do, and then you know that these things are going to give you a very good growth in your personal development. And then you talk to yourself that okay, I am going to do this, I'm going to implement this self discipline in my life also. But when I go and achieve a certain level of income, let me tell you, you are not going to achieve a certain level of income unless you put those habits in your place. You have to be very much disciplined even from the starting day. You have to be disciplined when the numbers are low, when you're just starting the business, when there is very less number of products in your catalog, when you have a very less number of revenue generating in your business. You have to start from day one. Keep these disciplines in your place. Now I have experienced this with my own life. Keep those discipline in the place and I am sure you are going to achieve your goals. And if these rich peoples follow the same disciplines, that might be this is a reason behind their success.